I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect an iPhone to a Toyota Avalon. Start by opening Settings on the iPhone and enabling Bluetooth. Then put the Avalon into Bluetooth pairing mode via the infotainment system, and make sure both screens show visible or discoverable status before proceeding to select the car name on the phone to begin the pairing process. Begin by selecting the Toyota Avalon name from your iPhone Bluetooth list, then confirm the numeric code shown on both the phone and the car screen to verify the connection. After pairing is accepted, grant permissions for contacts and favorites so incoming calls display properly, and enable CarPlay if available for full app access. Finally, test audio and phone calls to confirm successful setup before driving. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear car tech guides. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, which is oddly useful when budgeting for car accessories or repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals before we continue. Now let's get back to the video. If the initial attempt fails, try restarting both your iPhone and the Toyota Avalon infotainment system to clear temporary issues, then attempt pairing again. If problems persist, use the iPhone Bluetooth menu to forget the Avalon device and reinitiate the setup from scratch. Also check for iOS updates and car firmware updates to improve compatibility, and ensure no other paired devices are actively connected to the vehicle during setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.